Planning a trip to Japan? Don't pack your bags until you watch this. Welcome to Don't Visit Japan Without This, the ultimate guide to top spots and travel hacks. From hidden gems in Tokyo to secret savings on transportation, we've packed this video with everything you need to explore Japan like a pro. Hey travelers! If you're new here, I'm Lucia, and on this channel, we explore the best travel tips, destination guides, and insider hacks to help you travel smarter. So if that's your thing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss future travel adventures. Make sure to like this video and drop a comment with your dream Japan destination. We might feature it in a future guide. Scene reminder 1. Must-see cities and regions. Tokyo, the urban jungle, must-visits. Shibuya Crossing, Sensoji Temple, Akihabara, Tsukiji, Outer Market Pro Tip. Get a Suica or Pasmo card for easy train travel. Hack. Visit the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building for a free city view. Kyoto, the city of 1,000 temples. Highlights: Fushimi Inari Shrine, Arashiyama. Bamboo Grove, Gion District, travel hack. Visit early to avoid crowds and take stunning photos. Must try, traditional tea ceremony. Osaka, Aussie, Japan's kitchen best food spots. Dotonbori, Kuromon Ichiba, Market. Don't miss Universal Studios. Japan tip. Get the Osaka Amazing Pass for free. Entry to major attractions. Hakone and Mount Fuji. Great for hot springs and Fuji views. Use the Hakone Free Pass to save money. Ride the pirate ship across Lake Ashi, Hiroshima. History and Peace, Peace Memorial Park. Atomic Bomb Dome, day trip, Miyajima Island, and its floating Torii Gate. Food tip. Try Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki. 2. Travel hacks and essential tips. Packing tips. Bring comfortable walking shoes. Pack a compact umbrella. Carry a small trash pouch. Bins are hard to find. Money matters. Many places prefer cash. Use 7-Eleven ATMs for withdrawals. Download the XE app for currency conversion. Transportation hacks. JR Pass is ideal for intercity travel. Use Google Maps or Navitime for navigation. Use IC cards like Suica for convenience, food etiquette, and must-try dishes. No tipping. Just say Gochisusama. Try ramen, sushi, takoyaki, matcha desserts, and convenience store snacks. Point at food models outside restaurants to order connectivity and apps, rent pocket Wi-Fi, or buy a Japanese SIM must-have apps. Google Translate, Hyperdia, Guru Navi, Japan travel app. Cultural tips and etiquette. Bow is a form of greeting and thanks. Keep quiet on public transportation. Wear socks when visiting temples or homes. 3. Hidden gems and unique experiences. Nara. Feed the sacred deer. Take a day trip from Kyoto. Visit Todaiji Temple and interact with friendly deer. Kanazawa. Old Japan vibes. Visit Kenrokuen Garden and the Geisha District. Explore the 21st Century Museum of Contemporary Art. Takayama. Mountain Town magic. Stay in a traditional ryokan shop at morning markets and stroll through historic streets. Beppu or Kusatsu, Onsen heaven. Enjoy authentic hot spring bathing. Follow proper onsen etiquette. Local festivals time your visit with events like Gion Matsuri, Kyoto July, Snow Festival, Sapporo. February. Cherry Blossom Festivals, March-April. Book your stay early during festival seasons. 4. Shopping and souvenirs, best places to shop. Tokyo. Takeshita Street in Harajuku. Don Quixote for quirky souvenirs. Ginza for luxury brands. Kyoto. Nishiki Market for traditional goods and snacks. Osaka. Shinsaibashi for fashion and beauty products. Top souvenirs to buy: matcha sweets, handmade chopsticks, yukata, Japanese skincare, local snacks like Kit Kat in regional flavors. Tip. Buy souvenirs at airport duty-free shops if you run out of time. 5. Cultural experiences you can't miss. Stay in a ryokan experience. Traditional hospitality with tatami mats, yukata robes, and kaiseki meals. Attend a tea ceremony. Learn the art of matcha preparation and savor peaceful moments in a tea room. Try a kimono experience. Rent and wear a kimono for a day. Popular in Kyoto's Gion or Asakusa in Tokyo sumo or samurai experience. Watch a sumo match if it aligns with your travel dates. Visit samurai museums and try on armor for a fun, immersive activity. Common mistakes to avoid in Japan. Mistake number 1, not carrying cash. Many restaurants and shops are still cash only. Mistake number 2, talking loudly or answering phone calls on public transport. Mistake number 3, not removing shoes when required. Homes, temples, some restaurants. Mistake number 4, not booking trains and hotels in advance, especially during cherry blossom or festival seasons. Mistake number 5, overpacking. Japan has stairs everywhere and small hotel rooms. 7. Best times to visit Japan and seasonal tips. Spring, March, May, cherry blossom season, sakura, peak beauty, festivals, and photo opportunities. Book accommodations early, especially in Kyoto and Tokyo. Summer, June, August. Hot and humid, but full of lively festivals. Gion Matsuri in Kyoto, fireworks shows all over Japan. Pack light clothes and stay hydrated. Autumn, September, November. Koyo, fall foliage in full color. Great weather and fewer crowds. Visit Nikko, Kyoto, and Nara for stunning landscapes. Winter, December, February. Snowy magic in Hokkaido, ski resorts, and light displays, Sapporo Snow Festival, snow monkeys in Nagano. Ideal for hot springs, onsen, and winter foods. Like Nabe 8, budget versus luxury travel. In Japan. Budget travel tips. Stay in hostels or capsule hotels. Eat at convenience stores. 7-Eleven meals are surprisingly delicious. Use regional rail passes, cheaper than JR Pass for short stays. Visit free attractions, shrines, markets, public gardens. Luxury travel options. Stay in high-end ryokan with private onsen. Dine at Michelin-starred sushi restaurants. Ride the Shinkansen in Green Class Shop in Ginza or Omotesando. Pro tip, mix and match. Japan is great for budget travelers, but splurging occasionally gives you a richer cultural experience. 9. Safety, cleanliness, and solo travel in Japan. Safety. One of the safest countries in the world. Lost items often get returned, even wallets. Low crime rates and great police presence. Cleanliness streets are spotless, but few public trash bins. Carry a trash bag and hand sanitizer. Remove shoes when entering homes or certain indoor spaces. Solo travel. Japan is perfect for solo adventurers. Capsule hotels, solo dining booths, and safe transit. Great public infrastructure and helpful locals, even if you don't speak Japanese. 10. What not to do in Japan. Final do's. Respect local customs, bowing, queuing, quiet in public spaces. Try regional foods in every city. Learn a few basic Japanese phrases, like arigatou gozaimasu. What not to do. Don't walk and eat. It's considered rude. Don't tip in restaurants. Don't enter a bath without washing off first in an onsen. Don't talk on the phone on public transport. 11. How to use public transportation in Japan. Trains and subways. Japan's rail system is one of the best in the world. Punctual, clean, and efficient. Use IC cards like Suica or Pasmo for local trains. Long-distance travel? Grab a JR Pass. Order online before your trip. How to ride like a local. Stand on the left side of escalators, except in Osaka, where it's reversed. Be quiet. Public transport is not for chatting or phone calls. Line up patiently at platform marks before boarding trains. Buses and taxis. Buses are great for local attractions in smaller cities like Kyoto. Taxis are clean and safe, but more expensive. Drivers may not speak English, so show the address in Japanese. 12. Food you must try in every region. Tokyo. Sushi, tonkatsu, tempura, and izakaya food. Try a conveyor belt sushi, kaiten sushi. Experience Osaka. Street food, heaven. Takoyaki, octopus balls. Okonomiyaki, savory pancake. Kushikatsu, fried skewers. Kyoto, matcha desserts. Yudofu, tofu hot pot. And kaiseki, multi-course meal. Try traditional sweets like wagashi Hokkaido. Amazing seafood, crab scallops, miso ramen. And dairy desserts. Fukuoka, famous for tonkotsu ramen, rich pork broth, and mentaiko, spicy cod roe. Don't be afraid to explore convenience stores too. Lawson, Family Mart, and 7-Eleven have incredible snacks. 13. Day trips worth taking from Tokyo. Nikko, temples, waterfalls, and mountain views. Kamakura, Great Buddha, hiking trails, and beaches. Hakone, onsen town and views of Mount Fuji. From Kyoto, Osaka. Nara, sacred deer and massive Buddha statues. Himeji, Japan's most famous original castle. Kobe, try legendary Kobe. Beef from Hiroshima, Miyajima Island, floating torii. Gate and wild deer. Iwakuni, Kintai Bridge and Samurai District. Pro tip, use regional rail passes for these trips. Saves you time and yen. 12. Food you must try in every region. Tokyo, sushi, tonkatsu, tempura, and izakaya food. Try a conveyor belt sushi, kaiten sushi experience. Osaka, street food, heaven. Takoyaki, octopus balls. Okonomiyaki, savory pancake. Kushikatsu, fried skewers. Kyoto, matcha desserts. Yudofu, tofu hot pot. And kaiseki, multi-course meal. Try traditional sweets like wagashi. Japan is more than just a destination. It's a magical experience waiting to happen. With the right tips, hacks, and must-see spots, you'll be prepared to explore its wonders with confidence and excitement. We hope this ultimate guide helps you plan the trip of a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content from around the world. Comment below with what city or experience in Japan you're most excited about, or if you've been, share your top tip. We read every comment and love hearing from fellow explorers. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't visit Japan without this guide. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.